How are you, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well and happy. And I just thought I'd do a little video and show you these. I picked these up today. And I'm just after testing the bejesus out of them now with all the speaker testing stuff that you can find here on YouTube. And you know, to check that all the drivers are okay and working properly and the crossovers are working fine. And yeah, €40 I paid for these, and these would have been very expensive when they were new. These are Spirit Absolute 2. They're kind of high-end studio monitors, bi-wireable, and all that good stuff. I'm just using the link plates there at the moment on the back, so have them hooked up to the old Pioneer here. And I'll tell you one thing, they aren't half heavy. They're about 10 kilos a piece, or damn close to it, and they work perfect, I'm pleased to say. And they're actually, for the size of them, like, they're massive compared to my big ones up here. You know, you'd expect something with a, I suppose that's maybe a 6-inch driver there. You wouldn't expect the case to be that big. Well ported as well. It's 3-inch port. And let me see, we'll have to get a light. You can see they're well padded in there anyway. So yeah, quite pleased with them now. And I just have a little bit of repair work to do on the grills. Just the material has come away, so I just need to glue it back. And once that's done, they'll be perfect. So I'll add them to the Tower of Power here, as I call it, and we'll have a bit of fun with them. But some nice sound out of them, I have to say. I just have a bit of royalty-free stuff racked up here from royalty-free music. So there's the links for this particular track, and I've used this in a few of my videos, so we'll just play that now and see. Now, I know the phone won't do it any justice at all, but it's just for the fun more than anything. afraid to go much louder now. It's getting a bit late, so. But yeah, quite pleased with them. And for that money, an absolute bloody bargain. And once we get the grills repaired now, and we'll put them up there on the top somewhere. And we'll leave them that we can just rig the the Pioneer into them, and we can have a bit of crack with them. So there you have it, just a little video to drive about 3-hour round trip to get these, and right down to the west coast, and very happy. So there you are, we'll get you in the next one, and take care and be safe. All the best.